Welcome to paradise, the Maldives. Known for its unparalleled beauty and luxurious resorts, this tropical destination is a dream come true for those seeking a truly indulgent getaway. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable luxury break in the Maldives, where you can experience the epitome of luxury and relaxation. Hit like and subscribe for more content, including exclusive travel ebooks. We're staying at one of the top-rated resorts in the Maldives, where every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to provide the utmost luxury and comfort. Let's dive into the experience and see what makes the Maldives the ultimate luxury destination. 1. Luxurious Overwater Villa. Our overwater villa is a sanctuary of indulgence, offering breathtaking views of the turquoise waters from the private deck. The villa features a spacious and opulent design, complete with a private infinity pool, a direct access to the ocean for a refreshing swim, and state-of-the-art amenities to ensure the utmost comfort during our stay. 2. World-class dining. Indulge in a world-class dining experience at the resort, where renowned chefs create culinary masterpieces using the freshest local ingredients. From gourmet restaurants serving international cuisines to private dining experiences under the stars, every meal is a gastronomic delight. Don't miss the chance to enjoy a romantic sunset dinner on the beach, creating unforgettable memories. 3. Unmatched Wellness and Spa. Pamper yourself with unparalleled wellness and spa experiences at the resort. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Join invigorating yoga and fitness classes, or simply relax in the serene relaxation areas, surrounded by breathtaking ocean views. It's a haven of tranquility and well-being. 4. Adventure and Excursions. The Maldives offers a world of adventure and excitement for those seeking thrills. Explore the underwater wonders with snorkeling or scuba diving, where you can witness the mesmerizing marine life up close. Enjoy thrilling water sports such as jet skiing and parasailing, or embark on a luxurious yacht cruise to discover the hidden gems of the Maldives. It's an adrenaline-pumping experience in a stunning tropical paradise. 5. Sunset Romance. As the sun sets over the Maldives, the romance comes alive. Take leisurely walks on the pristine beaches, hand in hand with your loved one, as the sky paints a canvas of vibrant colors.